Understanding inverse functions. A flip in perspective. Hello, English learners and math enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of algebra, focusing on a fascinating topic: inverse functions. Stick with us as we unravel this concept in simple and easy-to-understand terms. In the world of math, functions describe a special kind of relationship between two sets of numbers. But what if we wanted to reverse this relationship? That's where inverse functions come into play. Imagine a function as a machine that turns an apple into a juice. An inverse function would be like a magical machine that turns that juice back into an apple. If you've been with functions for a while, you might have come across notations like f, x, f, x, f, x. When we talk about the inverse of a function, we write it as f minus 1, x, f caret minus 1, x, f minus 1, x. But don't be tricked. That minus 1 is not an exponent. It's just a way to say, hey, this is the inverse. Finding the inverse function might sound like a challenging task, but with a few steps, it becomes straightforward. 1. Swap x and y. If your function is y equals f, x, y equals f, x, y equals f, x, switch them to get x equals f, y, x equals f, y, x equals f, y. 2. Now, solve for y. This new y is your inverse function. 3. Verify. A fun fact: if you plug a number into a function and then plug the result into its inverse, you should get your original number back. Let's make things clearer with an example. Consider the function f, x, equals 2x plus 3f, x, equals 2x plus 3f, x, equals 2x plus 3. To find its inverse. 1. Swap x and y. X equals 2y plus 3x equals 2y plus 3x equals 2y plus 3. 2. Solve for y. Y equals x minus 32, y equals frac x3. 2. Y equals 2x minus 3. So, f minus 1, x, equals x minus 32 f caret minus 1, x, equals frac x3, 2, f minus 1, x, equals 2x minus 3. Inverse functions aren't just mathematical curiosities. They have real-world applications. For instance, if a business uses a function to predict sales based on the price, the inverse function can help determine the price needed to achieve a particular sales target. There you have it, the enchanting world of inverse functions simplified for you. Remember, every function tells a story, and its inverse function tells that story in reverse. We hope this video shed light on the beauty of inverse functions and how they tie into the larger world of algebra. Until next time, happy learning and keep exploring.